Now you can configure the PCNet system for the first time. You will log in using the standard password as confirmed by Fusion. And you can go to the network tab up here. We can assume that the system that you're working on has more than 4 nodes. So we can add a new one here. The node name would be node 5, but you can give it whatever node name you want. Please ensure that the node type is Advanced Fire Panel. Okay. The device has been added. You can also delete it using this icon up here. You also have the option to ignore one of the nodes. If you're, for example, still configuring it on site and you don't want to see any indication from it, you just double click on the Ignore tab here. You can also do some more configurations through the Setup icon. Something that I would recommend is to tick the Show Isolation List button on the main toolbar. This will add a button up here that you can press to view current isolations on the system. Also, if you do not want to see unprogrammed inputs, you can just tick this Ignore button. Finally, in Systems, you also want to hide the Windows taskbar. This is useful so that you can see these indications at the bottom.